Welcome back to Drive Depth, the channel where we dive deep into the heart of the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars, trucks, and everything in between, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride with us. Today, we're talking about something big. And we mean really big. After decades of anticipation and more rumors than we can count, Jeep is finally bringing back one of its most iconic models, the CJ8. That's right, the 2025-2026 Jeep CJ8 is officially making a comeback, and it's not just a nostalgic name slapped on a new shell. Jeep is reimagining the classic Scrambler with modern tech, rugged performance, and that unmistakable off-road attitude. For those unfamiliar, the original CJ8 Scrambler was introduced in the early 1980s. It had the soul of a Wrangler but with a longer wheelbase and a pickup-style bed in the back. It was practical, it was tough, and it became a cult favorite. Now, over 40 years later, Jeep is reviving the legend for a new generation. Let's talk design first. The 2025-2026 CJ8 stays true to its roots with a retro-inspired exterior. Round headlights, a 7-slot grille, and angular lines give it that classic Jeep DNA. But it's not just a copy and paste from the past. You'll notice modern updates like LED lighting, a refined front fascia, and aggressive off-road tires straight from the factory. The proportions are slightly larger than the original CJ8, making room for more cabin space while still keeping that iconic Scrambler silhouette. Under the hood, Jeep is expected to offer multiple powertrains. The base model may feature a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, while higher trims could get the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6. There's even talk of a plug-in hybrid 4Z version, giving the new CJ8 the same electric-enhanced torque we've seen in the Wrangler and Grand Cherokee. No confirmation on a diesel or Hemi just yet, but hey, we can hope. Inside, Jeep is blending rugged utility with modern tech. Expect water-resistant upholstery, removable roof panels, and drain plugs for easy cleaning. At the same time, you're getting a 12.3-inch Uconnect infotainment screen, digital gauge cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a full suite of safety tech, from adaptive cruise control to off-road camera systems. But what really sets the new CJ8 apart is its versatility. It's not just a Jeep, it's a lifestyle tool. Whether you're a weekend warrior, overlanding enthusiast, or just someone who misses the character of old-school 4x4s, this new Scrambler is built to deliver. Jeep hasn't announced exact pricing yet, but early estimates suggest a starting MSRP around the mid-$40,000s, with fully loaded models likely pushing into the $60,000 range. Availability is expected in late 2025, rolling into early 2026. So, is the CJ8 finally the answer to fans who've been craving a true Jeep pickup that bridges heritage and modern capability? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep it locked here on Drive Depth, where every detail matters. Until next time, stay curious, stay driven.